Okay. We're back at it. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. This is Logic on steroids. Go ahead, like this video. If you want to watch the original video and not hear my commentary, please follow these links. You're going to see a little card on the top right of the screen. Hit that card. You know what I mean? Support the channel who provide these videos. I always show them at the end of the video or during the video. Alright? This right here is crazy. It has something to do with child abuse. This woman is crazy. Y'all gonna get ready to get mad. Let's go.
Are you ready?
A police officer from the New Berlin Police Department in Wisconsin noticed a vehicle run a red light while on patrol. The officer then noticed a baby hanging outside of the backseat passenger window. The officer initiates a traffic stop. However, she is about to encounter some of the most despicable human behavior of her career.
Hi. The reason I stopped you is you ran the red light back there. The baby needs to be in the car seat as well. Do you have your driver's license on you?
I don't have it on me. I do have a license, but you can get it up.
How much have you had to drink?
Oh, I haven't had no drinks.
You haven't had anything? Car seat needs to be strapped in, okay? He was halfway out the window while you were driving, through a red light. Had you gotten hit by a car, that baby would be dead right now, okay?
Yo, I can't stand grown-ups who are able to drive, but y'all have y'all kids in the car without a seatbelt. Standing up in the front passenger side, no seatbelt. Back seat, no seatbelt. Don't you know if an airbag deploys, it can kill that kid? Have you ever seen those children choke themselves in the windows with the electronic windows? Y'all need more. Y'all need to watch some more of these videos or something. That's why there's no mercy. When the cops pull y'all over, they should take y'all damn kids away, man.
Do you mind if I help? Please.
I'm tired of y'all.
I know. You want me to hold him while you strap it in?
You want me to call your mom?
I'll be back in a minute, okay?
Due to the suspicion of the driver being under the influence, the officer has the suspect contact the passenger's mother to come pick them up while the officer begins to write her report. Another officer arrives on scene and is about to witness the most despicable behavior of his career.
Hey, Mr. Officer Maloney, Grove Police Department. Hey, whose alcohol's in the vehicle?
I just picked her up from down the road.
So my partner said she saw open bottles of alcohol. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? She just straight up backhanded this kid.
What?
Damn.
She just straight up backhanded that child.
Wow. Officer caught that.
You see a mark on him?
Hold on, I'm literally grabbing his pocket. Which side of the face?
Smack.
Why would she hit that child?
Fine. Alright, let's secure this.
Where's mom? Where's mom?
I'm his mom.
No, your mother.
Yes, I am.
Your mother. Where's your mother?
35 minutes away. She just don't give a fuck.
She's slurring. She can't even understand what the hell he's saying. He says, "Where's your mom?" She's talking about, "I'm his mom. I am." Shut up, girl. Where's your mom?
Pop the trunk for me.
Cause you about to go to jail.
I can't go back to jail.
Now, closed containers are okay. But you got kids there, you know what I'm saying? So, properly place them. Closed containers, like I said, is okay. But if you got some open containers, your ass is grass, bro.
Who's boozing? Who's booze?
Not mine.
Okay. I'm just putting this all in the trunk right now. Where's the bottle of liquor?
I don't know.
Right by your foot right there. Let me give me that bottle of liquor.
White.
That looks open. Wow.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
Yo, this is not
that's all of it.
uncommon. This is very common. Lots of people drive like this. Open containers, kids in the back, even with weapons in the vehicle. You know what I mean? So what I'm saying is, there's a lot of people who do this, but they're more responsible than these two knuckleheads. You know what I mean? I'm not saying doing it is the right thing to do. Always separate your child from this crap. That's what you want to do, you know what I'm saying?
Too, for someone who's extremely 56.
I'm getting cold.
I'm gonna go check my camera real quick.
The officer puts the baby back in the car seat for the time being and keeps an extremely close eye on the mother in the back seat. Due to the officer not believing what he just saw, he decides to deactivate his body camera to watch his footage and make sure he's correct. After watching it, he returns to tell the other officer what he saw.
You can see it and hear it on my body camera.
You can't?
You can.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Ooh.
So my partner said you saw open bottles of alcohol.
Oh.
Are you kidding me?
All right, can you stand by with them? I'm gonna grab a
Yeah.
blanket for him because his feet are freezing.
We're
She
getting
did
a
with a
blanket
closed
right
fist back in her
When's the
hand.
last time he slept?
2.
He took a nap today?
Yes.
Does he normally take a nap?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Here's the deal, okay? You're not in trouble, regardless what he says.
I'm gonna close this door so the wind's not on him.
Thank you. I'm just
Seal. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. Thank you. You can take the tube out. Do you know what the legal limit is Wisconsin? Huh? I'm sorry? Yeah, you're about 3 times the legal limit. So,
Damn.
but step out. I'm not arresting you, okay? But you can't be in the car right now.
Not arrested him. What?
And I'm gonna need your keys. Yes.
Driving with a kid in the car, all the containers 3 times over the limit. Not arrested him.
Thank you. Go ahead and
What
stand
kind
back.
of diplomatic immunity he got?
Please pull up your pants. Thank you.
Pants down. Oh, you already know what he was doing. Oh, don't
Okay,
tell
so
me.
what was going on in the park and ride?
I was just talking to her.
So you normally talk with your shirt off and your pants half down?
No, I usually, I literally took my shirt off earlier because it was hot, that's all.
Okay, and your pants?
You know, my pants were on the whole time.
Or you just
It was
stood
just
up
off.
and they were like half down?
Yeah,
You're
no,
half down.
because
Talking to
my
you.
Velcro.
Okay, listen, I just need to know straight up.
Is that your husband, boyfriend?
No, he's not husband, boyfriend, or anything.
My
What were you doing?
I wasn't doing anything. I was really making. That's what we did.
Oh, so you're
Man, here's what I believe, and I've been in the game. You know what I'm saying? She said that's not her boyfriend or husband or whatever. If it ain't, if she's telling the truth, if both of them are telling the truth, then he tricking her. He tricking with her, man. That's it. A social media fling or tricking.
making out.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so you were doing something.
Yeah, no, we were just making out. That's it.
And where was the baby during this?
He was in the backseat with us.
So you guys were getting it on in the back seat and the baby
No,
was
no,
next
no.
to
Like
you.
I said, we just kissed. That's all. We didn't
Wow.
Well, your
That's
shirt
why
was
she
off.
hit that baby.
Pants are half down.
No, my pants were off.
She hit that baby because that baby probably wouldn't let her bust a something.
You can see that I got my hair broke. That's why my parents sit down. I just didn't have my shirt on because I usually don't have my shirt on.
Well, here's the deal. You need to find someone to come pick you up. I'm just grabbing your phone. All right, now I'm going to ask you again. Whose booze was that in the car?
I promise you on everything.
Sir? Stop
Kid,
making
you
it
drink
look
half of the
stupid,
booze.
okay? You're hammered right now?
I know, but that wasn't mine.
Go ahead, call someone to come pick you up.
EMS now arrives and checks the baby for any injuries or health concerns.
She was very nice in trying to get someone to come pick the kid up, and I don't think that's going to be an option.
No.
Why was she hitting the kid? Do you know?
Malone was up there. She like half threw him into the car seat when I was back there, and I was like, okay, well, listen. That's why I started calling for a second because I was like, she just like.
And what y'all gonna do though? Y'all talking about she abusing the baby and all that. What y'all gonna do? Y'all gonna give her baby back at the end of the day?
Have you ever done a breathalyzer before? I just want to see
Don't
where
cry
you're at,
about it.
how much alcohol
Do something about it.
you've had. Take a deep breath. Keep going, 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 keep going.
take the tube.
All right, just hang tight with my partner here for a second, and be with you in a minute.
The breathalyzer resulted in a .331 blood alcohol concentration, which is extremely high and dangerous, bordering on the level associated with coma and death.
Do you know where you were before you got pulled over?
Damn.
We were
Do you remember being over at the park and ride?
no,
He's saying you were at the park and ride.
we were not.
Hi. Oh, thank you so much for calling. I appreciate it. This is a little bit of a complicated one, so I will do my best here. Over New Berlin, I was on Racine Avenue. We have a park and ride over there. I noticed a car that was parked with its lights on and the what are they called? Windshield wipers going? I was like, you know, that's kind of odd. Like, okay. I turned around, didn't see anybody in the front seats, saw some movement in the back, and I was like, oh, maybe it's two kids fooling around. You never know. I drove past the back and I saw like a baby pop up and then someone with like longer, poofier hair. So I ran the plate, like nothing crazy came back, and my thought was, oh, it's probably a mom in the back seat breastfeeding. Like, I was doing traffic control in that area, so I kind of could keep an eye on it a little bit. I see them leaving, and I noticed that the back windows are completely rolled down, and the kid, who was probably like one, maybe 1.5, is like half body out the back seat window. Catch up to the car.
Wow, could have fell right out. Bad parenting.
Blows the red light at the intersection, and I can see the kids still hanging out of the window, so I pulled him over immediately. Driver is half naked. It's a man. The kid is popping all over around the back seat, and kid's mom is in the back seat, absolutely hammered. It's like slumped over, so that's why I never saw the second.
Y'all better check that kid, make sure that man ain't touched that kid either. I don't give a damn. That's crazy.
Person. Poofy hair was the guy, just has longer hair. They're allegedly just friends. Baby's fine. You know, I'm like, okay, we need to get the kid in a car seat. Like, and the guy's like, oh, she's really drunk. I'm so sorry, I ran the red light. I'm trying to get her home. And had you gotten hit, that baby would be dead right now. So my coworker gets there. And there's open intox in the vehicle. So multiple open alcohol bottles in the car. Partner gets there. He's up there talking to her because she can't even tell us her birthday. She's so drunk. I find her in locals, so I get her information that way. While my partner's up there, she backhands the kid right in front of him. They're separated. Everybody's separated. Fire's on scene. Talk to her. Hanging out with baby, making sure baby's okay. Baby, as from what I saw, has a red welt on the face. Give the driver a breathalyzer, and he blows a .26. Mom, she's a 0.331. So I pull him out of the car, grab his keys, you're not driving home. All he's admitted to is that they were making out. So that's kind of where we're at. Quite a lot, I know, sorry.
Hey, do not get out of the car. Do not open that door.
I really need to be.
I understand that, and I told you as soon as we can, we'll get you what we can.
She's slushed.
Stop.
Pathetic.
Stop.
Look at her. Disconnected from her child.
So the door doesn't work at all.
Disconnected from Earth.
You're gonna have to climb over and get out the other side.
Please get your cat.
Hey, can you climb out this side towards me, please?
Yeah, I've been trying to get it up.
To knock it off.
Because it's my kid's son.
You want help?
Yes, please.
Watch your head.
No, it's not even that. Can't even do it. Just shut up and down there to work.
Come on.
Okay, I'm coming out.
Here. Stand up. Yep. Good. Alright. Come on. Stay right there. Up.
I'm just mad that they're not
Wow.
getting out
Can't
my
even stand.
door. That's my
Kid.
kid.
This up for you, okay?
You're good. I need to pee, and they won't get out my kid. I need to pee. I need to.
Alright, hold on. Stop moving. Alright,
Man, just cuff her down.
put your hands behind your back.
I'm not.
Yeah, all that
I need you to
treating her
listen
like
to
the
me,
damn
alright?
president.
You are. I will. I'm not mad. I'm just.
Alright.
If I get to the
Allie, at this time you're being placed under arrest, okay? You're under arrest for child abuse.
How? What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm not going door to door. I'm just trying to get everybody a door that's him that was with me. Like, why are you guys? No. First off, why are you guys adoring me, dude?
I don't even know what you're saying.
Scoot your butt in the
No,
vehicle.
why are you guys going putting me on door in the backseat?
The vehicle. There you go. Good job.
I'm down
You're
there.
under
Slush.
arrest.
But why?
I already told you for child abuse neglect.
Yeah,
That
but
is right.
he's this.
No pretty girl can for you, girl.
I'm not trying to do abuse, please. Come on. I'm not trying to be an asshole.
Bad
Come
body
on.
Karen.
I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm literally just trying to be an ass. Come on.
How did your belt break?
When I got out the car in the rush.
Okay. Just now?
Snap. Yeah, just now.
Okay. So, Mr. Here's what we're gonna do. If you're willing to, I'm gonna run you through some tests. Okay? Field sobriety tests. Are you willing to do those tests for me?
I mean, is my brother here?
Your brother's here, but I want to do the
But
test
is
first.
it okay if I can just like get home? You can drive me back.
No, that's what
Yeah.
that's what I'm asking you. Is if you're willing to do the tests.
You know, if you really want that, that's fine. But at the same time, I really want to go home. I'm really stressed out.
I understand
really
that. I want to run you through tests. If you're willing to.
During the redacted audio, the suspect refuses to do field sobriety testing, resulting in what the officers do next.
My understanding,
How do
you
you step
refuse to
off
go
on
to
me?
jail.
So right now, based on the statements in our investigation, you're under
No privileges.
arrest right now for child neglect. Okay? Yep. My partner will be able to explain it more to you.
Good.
I need you to turn around and face the squad car for me. Mister, you ever been arrested before?
Child neglect, both of them.
First time ever?
Get your ass up outta
Okay,
here.
Go ahead and have a seat. I'm just trying to hold your pants up for you.
What's wrong with y'all?
So I'm not going home.
You're not going home.
Me and him, his father, we were not in an asshole. I was me and his wiping as a general, not his wife Humber, but whoever was listening, talking to him. I genuinely don't need me to be an ass. Are we gonna be okay? Like, I'm not gonna be an okay. Like, if I'm gonna be an okay, like, I'm genuinely.
People, this is not only alcohol. This is drugs mixed up with alcohol. She's on something else.
My kid are gonna be f***ed up. Like,
I'll keep you updated on everything, okay?
Please do, because I need to pee an asshole.
The male suspect was charged with child neglect and given a citation for operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. The female suspect, Alyanya Feltz, was charged with child abuse, child neglect, and bail jumping. On November 26, 2024, she pleaded guilty to child neglect and child abuse. While her bail jumping charge was dismissed, she was sentenced to 2 years in prison plus an additional 3 years of extended supervision
Good.
for her child neglect and abuse charges.
Yo, I hope they take away her child permanently. That's it, man. Stop having leniency, man. Take away their child permanently. F that. Yo, I'm so pissed off. Hey, like like this video, subscribe to the channel that provided this video. There it goes right here. These are the people who are responsible for the video. Respect to them. Thanks for the video, y'all. Yo, also subscribe to Logic on Steroids. I got way more videos coming, so we're gonna get to it. All right, peace out. Thank you for watching.